Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Scratch website after you log into it. So if you click the create one, you can code something here. Let's show me an example. When green flag clicked, say hello for 2 seconds. I code it that way. And then she say hello. And then let's say move 10 steps. Let's say hello for 2 seconds and move 10 steps. Now it moved. Shall we do him move forever? Let's see. Okay, you saw it. And then you can also share something you code here, and you can change the things in these white boxes. See, I changed this to 20, and instead of hello, hi. See, now it's saying hi. Now, and you can share them, share your projects. See, share now, anyone in the Scratch website can see it if you give them a link. If you don't share, only you can say even though others have the link. Okay, now explore. Let's check what is this explore. Explore is the place where you can see the most famous projects. If you click trending, then you can see the most loved and favorited projects. Here animations, here all, here art, here games, here music, here stories here, and here tutorials. Not only projects, there are studios in Scratch. Studios are collections of projects. So here tutorial studios, all studios, animation studios, art studios, game studios, music studios, story studios, likewise. And not only that, you can see trending. That means mostly loved and favorited for a short period of time. Popular, mostly loved and favorited whole period of time. Recent, recently shared project. Okay, okay. CCC recently shared ones. And then you can get ideas from Scratch. It is here to create your own Scratch projects. They will give you ideas. It's simply like tutorials. See, choose a tutorial. They will provide all the guidance you need. Getting started, animate a game, imagine a world, make music, create a story, make a chess game. Okay? Talking tales, likewise. Add defects, all. Now about. Let's This is about Scratch. What is Scratch and other things? Here, who uses Scratch? Learn to code and code to learn. Scratching goals around the world. Quotes. Research done by Scratch. Learn more about Scratch. Here you can go. support and funding. That is the dashboard of Scratch. Today I covered the dashboard of Scratch with you.